In this video, we'll be learning how to do a single crochet increase. You'll be basically creating 2 single crochets in one stitch. So insert your hook into the new stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook, also known as yarn over. You should now have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through all 2 loops. I would normally put a stitch marker in the first stitch of the round. It's a good habit to have when you're crocheting to remember where your first stitch is located. Now do another single crochet in the same stitch where you just made your first single crochet. And that's how you would do a single crochet increase. Now let's do the same thing again in the next couple of stitches. And this is how it looks like after completing a couple of single crochet increase stitches. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching how to single crochet increase.